In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Wealthfront. Whether you're a seasoned investor or new to managing your finances online, accessing your Wealthfront account is a straightforward process designed to keep your investments and personal information secure. Let's walk through each step clearly and carefully so you can easily access your account whenever you need. First, head over to your preferred web browser and navigate to the Wealthfront homepage. You can do this by simply typing in the URL www.wealthfront.com. The website is designed to give you a quick overview of what Wealthfront offers. You'll see their tagline, "Money works better here," highlighting their focus on efficient, hassle-free financial management. Once you're there, let's move on to the next step. On the Wealthfront homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see a login button. Click on this button to proceed towards accessing your account. This button is your gateway to entering the secure site where you can review your investments and personal financial details. Now it's time to fill in your login details. You should see fields requesting your email address and password. These are the credentials you created when you first signed up with Wealthfront. Carefully enter this information, making sure it's accurate to avoid any login errors. If by any chance you have forgotten your password, there is usually an option nearby to reset it. So don't worry about being locked out of your account permanently. Entering the correct details here is essential for your account's security and your personal peace of mind. Once you've entered your email and password, take a moment to double check for any typos. A common error when logging into any service is mistyping your credentials, so a quick check before moving on can save you the trouble of repeated attempts. Finally, after verifying your details, click the final login button. With this click, you're not only entering into your Wealthfront account, but also engaging with a secure platform that manages your financial assets. The system might take a few seconds to verify your credentials, so be patient as it ensures everything is in order. And there you have it. You're inside your Wealthfront dashboard, ready to explore your portfolio, make adjustments, or simply check on your investment goals. Remember that for enhanced security, it's always best practice to log out when you've finished, especially if you're on a shared or public device. This minor step can significantly increase your security. With these simple steps, logging into Wealthfront becomes a breeze, allowing you to focus on what really matters, your financial goals and growth.